Hello. Hi, my name is Nobu Chujoke Ozobida. Our title for this video is how to create a WordPress blog post with Gutenberg content editor. We start by introducing or defining and explaining what Gutenberg is. We say that Gutenberg is a blog-based WordPress editor designed to be more like popular page builder tools, which enables us to add elements like images, paragraphs, lists, and button to a page, or it gives us more customization blocks to our posts. Now, you might ask, when was this Gutenberg content editor introduced to WordPress? Because we know that WordPress has been existing before this was introduced. And I say that Gutenberg content editor was introduced or rolled out in WordPress version 5.0 December 6, 2018, and also it was used to replace the old content editor, which is called Classic Editor. Classic Editor is a very simple one, also like Gutenberg, but Gutenberg is a latest and the one now that people uses on WordPress. So we head into our web browser. I'm using Microsoft Edge. So right now I'll go to a new tab, go to my website that I want to use to make this video. The link is already there. I bookmarked the link, so I think the site has loaded to my dashboard. So the next thing I will do is either using the new here to add a new post, or I use the posts and click add new. So take me to Gutenberg editor right now. Alright, it has loaded completely. So what we are going to treat in this is the Gutenberg environment. So we have the title, we have the content area, and we have the settings, we have the block, this is the settings, this is the post where you add some, you do some certain optimization in your site before you publish your posts. So we are going to treat on the following that says: number 1, create a good post title. 2, assign post category. 3, assign post format. 4, add tags. 5, add feature image, discussion setting tab, add your blog post content into the content area, edit your meta title, meta description, and focus keyword using RankMark SEO plugin. The second to last is review your content if there is any mistake. Maybe you want to type him and you type his. If you read it and you know the mistake in your English, so you can correct that before the last one that you publish your article. So first, let's start by creating our title of this content that we're about to create. I explained this, that if you want to add your title, please kindly make it short. Let it don't be too long. At least 60 characters is the maximum for a post title. So let's start by adding our title. I will make use of copy and paste because I've made everything ready for this tutorial. This is the title of the post I want to use. I've copied it. I go back to my web browser, go back to add new title, and I paste it. Alright, this is the song Arubo Ojo. There are David feature Jonathan Nelson. MP3 music download. That is the title for this blog post. The next thing we are going to do is to assign our post formats. And I'm going to explain this post format very well. And I'm going to only explain 3 because most websites does not accept all. But WordPress has 10 post formats. We have the first one, aside, audio, chart, gallery, image, link, quotes, standard, status, and video. Like in my site here, you can see all is included due to the WordPress template or theme I'm using. But I'm going to only explain 3. I'll explain audio, standard, and video in this content. So the first one I'm going to explain is audio. If you are writing or publishing a musical article and you select post tag, it is said that that post select post format as audio. It is said that that article or post has an audio file or an audio is embedded in it that one can stream without going to the external source for streaming. So they stream it direct from your site and they will not go external source for it. The next one is standard. Standard is a normal or default WordPress post format that any post or WordPress blog post can adapt to. The next one is video, which is the last one. Video is a content that contains video either from YouTube or from your site that you upload direct to your WordPress site. Alright, and this content we are about to publish now is under video, or is under audio. So what we'll do is select audio. The next thing is to add our category. And our category here is grouping for WordPress posts. You can either choose, look at them, they're already in place, or you add new, there is no one. Look at the new. You type the name, primary, no primary, and no category. I don't want to add, you can already have it. So what I'm going to do here is to select the category I want to use. The category I'm using here is MP3 downloads. Then I also select African music. That is done. Then the next thing is to add tags. And tags are a way of organizing your blog posts. By adding tags, tags, other name for tag is keywords. So what am I using to, what will I add as tag? Like these 2 names here, they are what I'm going to use for tag. Now let me copy the first one. I paste it. Once I press enter, it will go in. Then the second one I copy. Then I paste. I don't need to press enter button. Once I press comma, it has been added automatically. The next one we are going into is to add our feature image. Our feature image is the visual summary of our blog posts. This image is displayed in category lists in our front page, also in our home page. Example is, let me go to my site home page so that we can see it. Our feature image is being displayed. Now this feature image, this is the images displayed everywhere. It makes your blog post look so gorgeous on the outside. Then let's check out the category side of it, if it is also good. This is the category side of it. You can see the feature image is being displayed on every side. Alright, let's go back. Now, let's add our feature image. Very simple. Click on set feature image. It will pop up this place. The first one is media library. The other one is add upload files. The upload means that if you don't have it already in your media library, so I don't have it, what I will do is to upload file. I will look for the file, the area I saved it. This is the file. Open. And remember, Gutenberg does not need to load a page before you do whatever you're doing. Everything is done right here. Alright, this has been added. Then we'll come to discussion. Discussion tab. You can see I set my default at allow comments because this is a post. People need to comment. They need to speak their word. They need to talk their mind. This post is great. Thank you. I don't like it. I like it. Any of that. So that is done. So we are done in post settings. The next thing we are going to do now is to bring in our content. Now I'm going into my second site where I've already added the content. This is the content I'm using. Now what I'm going to do is to copy it. So just click Ctrl A to copy it. Then go back to my content editor and press Ctrl V to paste it. Now it has been pasted. I also added an image from my other website. Now these images, we don't need it, so what we'll do is to remove it. Click on delete. Also this, delete. Next thing we are going to do is to optimize this. If we want a link, we can add a link. If we don't want a link, we'll remove it. But if we decide to add a link, we can add a link from the tag by highlighting on that words, then click on insert link. Let me make this thing to be full panel, full mode. Click on insert link, tag. This has been done. Okay. Now this is the video. This article has a video. I will watch video and download audio as my heading, and I select level 2. Then this is the short code of an embedded YouTube video. Then this is the download link of the music file. But right now we are not going to use it. I'm going to teach people how to upload your songs. Now we are not done yet in the content. The next thing we are about to do now is to go into our website to upload our music. Okay, we have logged in, and this has a subdirectory. I have to choose audio, go to upload, select the file, paste the file, open, upload. It's been uploaded. Okay, this file has been uploaded. Let me open it so that I can the link, I copy it, go to my post, come over to add. I need to bold it, also centralize it too, then add a link. Press my enter button. I also need to edit it too. Go to this pencil icon, go to advanced and set it, open in a new tab, save. That is done. The next thing we are to do now is to edit our meta description and meta title by clicking on our rank mark WordPress SEO plugin icon. As you can see, it already generated some description for you from the content, but right now I'm not going to use that auto-generated. I have to use my. I'll copy the title first, go to edit, add the title, give a space, and add any character to separate it. Then I go back to my content, go back to here, just choose, copy a little bit from here, okay, I paste it. As you can see, it's much, 211 characters. Why? We are supposed to use 160. So let me remove till I get to the right number. Alright, I think this is done. Close it. So what I will do next, our title, our focus keyword. You can use any. This is just, I'm doing this for example to show us. You can search more about focus keyword. Then we are done for this. Now, next thing we are going to do is to review our content if everything is correct. Now, since I want to show you a bonus, since this article or this post is an audio format video, audio format post. So what we'll do, I go to sharing code of this website, copy this direct link, then I scroll down to feature video / audio code. I dropped it here. Now this will make this audio file to be embedded automatically on this post so that visitors can play it or stream it direct without downloading it, without visiting this page to download it. What they will do is to play it direct from this page. So everything is done. We have reviewed, everything is okay. The next thing we'll do is to click on publish. Click it again. And our post has been published. So what are we going to do? Let's view it to confirm if everything went well. Alright, this is our front page. This is our post. The first thing you are seeing here is the feature image, and this is the title, this is the category, and the post type is music because we selected audio as our post type. Look at it, look at the link. And we have two categories that we added is MP3 downloads and African music. Then this is the embedded audio player. Once I click it to play,
Please let's welcome Minister Jonathan.
So we don't need to play it. Now this is our content. This is the embedded video from YouTube, and this is download link. Once you click it, it will take us to our download page of this website. So that is all. And also look at our tags that we added. Look at them here. Thank you for watching this video. I appreciate your time, and I want to beg your indulgence to help us share this video to your friends, and also subscribe to our YouTube channel, like the video, and always enable the bell so that whenever we post a video like this or some other video, you will get notification earlier. Thank you, and God bless you.